A few moments later.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Wagwan, you don't know things that you know. You man know one Media Fox. You see it. People, while on the day, you know, and hear people that talk about fight, and I say, yo, it's like, me a scroll. And I see that video you pop up, and I say, look like a sign, you know, me have to make people them know Wagwan and refresh them mind. You understand? If you know, say, yo, Alkaline a forward from far. All when the whole industry a fight the man. Yo, you say if Alkaline never have no talent, people, then would have sink him. Anyhow, Alkaline never have talent and have a plan for the future, then would have sink him, brother. Me I tell you that. Cause if you saying at 2026 right now, if you see where the youth reaching them career, dog. You see me not think no. Brother, when you have the fastest man in the world, a pay for your song no play, you know it gets serious, brother. Remember, you know, a track and feel them money, you know. And them money in a party, a play selector, finna play, you know, bro. You understand? It's a different level, dog. Me I tell you so. When me see more while me hear people talk, when me see Alkaline reach where him reach, I don't know normal, bro. Cause the youth never did have to reach where him there. But the youth stay focused and him not watch when nobody want to say him not watch the fight. That's why you hear when some man run out and I talk about him a get fight. And, brother, you not get nothing yet. Or if you get fight, the fastest man in the world I play a DJ. If you not play your song. A worldwide fight I get to blood. People, but we're gonna play the video and make you see what I go on, is it me?
Some persons that are trying to see the Gaza youth. All of them just incarcerated on an easy term.
You see me? So him say him not call Alkaline name. You see it? Him just say, brother, so many time I just look on life and I say, yo, youth. Alka, trust me, youth. You make it out and me know how you do it, dog. Some people are talk about fight and all of them little thing there. Bro, me not think them get the fight where you get, dog. I tell you, me not think when you have a man up live regularly, man will pay a DJ behind your back. But when you have the fastest man in the world, I play right with too much camera for your song no play. You know it really serious. Especially you know do this man and nothing. You understand? But here we go on, people. So basically, I tell the DJs to play Dexter that Shabba Motherpot. Cause you don't know him friend them that. Easy me cause you don't know. I buy out the party. Cause you know him not want an Alkaline play. So look at now. In forward, you have to do the same thing again. But look at now. Boom Boom never like the vibes. You see me? Cause Boom Boom represent dancehall. So it's like, the man never like the vibes, dog. You see, cause you know you have different fans in the crowd and thing. And you see me? The man just want to play music, bro. And promote the artists, them. You see me? But yo, dog, the man vex your freak. I tell the people, just look in that video. Yo, I tell you, you see live people, it show you, say, look here, it no matter when nobody wants to say, bro, go for it, put in the work. You understand? Because same people, them, what did that try for you? Or them same one, I got turn on, make it look like, say, yo, them never did that play agenda or something. You understand? And when you check it, Alkaline forward out and become one of the legend in a dancehall. You understand? With all of this a fight here, where the youth did I get. You understand? Become one of a legend. You see it? Because no artist a boss since 2013. Not have a legacy we have right now. None of them. And we can prove that. You see what I try to say? But listen what I want, people. So basically, I say, yo, Gaza alone him want play. So I say, yo, if they want him pay for it, because you don't know him fought from World Olympics and you know things are going. You see it, big money and digital contract and all of these things. You see me, so yo, him just want the Gaza thing play. You see me, cause Alkaline did a mash up a place them time, yeah. You see it. Yo, boom boom vex, you know. Boom boom, yo, Jano. Man, vex dog. You see it. Watch how boom boom now really want the bad vibes and you know, him not really want starting a little tussling. Him just, yo. Cause brother, imagine you had your work dog and a bag of man come around here, bro, and try to program your thing. You see it. I know we must say boom boom take program. I wonder, I don't know people, but I don't know where I do. Maybe through boom boom promote the Alkaline thing or something. I play some song where him not to. You see me? So maybe I say yo boom boom take program. So quick cook, you don't know. I think quick cook forward, you know. I think he might go big up the Sunshine, because I don't know Sunshine and Alkaline, you see me? But we don't soon see what go on after this. Bro, I say boom boom, yeah man, like man tormented in the dog. Yo, it's like the man face just, yo. Yo bro, just over the man want work and can't work dog. Yo, boom boom like him want ball, you know, cause where's quick cook I give back Usain Bolt the mic, you know. Man no want that brother, man want work. You hear that a while ago, you hear him call Alkaline name a while ago. So that brother here say, yo, you never stop going like an idiot dog and stop making man them mash up a party and all of them things. You see it? So him say a while ago say any Gaza tune better than any Alkaline tune. You understand? Yeah. So you see DJ Sunshine forward up here now, you know. Cause she not like Wagwan. You see me? She not like Wagwan. You see boom boom did and you know, I say yo Wagwan mama. You see, cause she know him know from DJ Sunshine forward up, you know. Cause she see vibes Wagwan, so she just make sure walk come up. You understand? Actually, I say, yo, what this like? What kind of vibes this? And boom, boom, I say, yo, you know do him thing, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, so more money I put on, you know. Yeah, more money, you know. I must say, yo, Alka song, nah, play. You see it? So brother, I tell Boom Boom say, yo, take up the money and shoot it and right front in the creases of the sound there, so. Yeah, man, boop and Boom Boom face. The man vex, you know. Look on the man face, dog. Channel DJ Sunshine still there the same way. You see me? That's why I tell you, some man talk about fight and all them things, the dog. If you know, say, look at you, the boss. Just boss, and them a fight the local youth for nothing. Nothing. Just through the youth say, yo, him respect a man like any other artist, bro. Cause all of this, brother. You see me? Yeah, dog. I tell you, brother. That's why I tell you, that's why Alkaline say, yo, the pain and the fight turning into somebody where I love, you know. And that's why the youth are giant in a game, you know, bro. If Alkaline never have no talent and have a mind of him own, or you see me, and create him own system, create him own fan base, would not hear about Alkaline would not just in a one of them artist category would not hear about and not talk about. You understand? But the youth now watch that. Him fight him way through. Him never fought by the media and say, yo, this and that and where. The youth just use music and kill them. You understand? And music the youth use. And kick down every door. Now that's why the youth there today. Everybody still call him name, everything without him in the social media. You understand? The youth create something in a dancehall way, yo. And nothing normal. Future generation, I'm a lead. You see me? Yeah, man. DJ Sunshine I look over what go on, you know. You see me, cause you know too like what go on. You see it. So he must say, yo, a man say Alkaline Gaza, move up. You see me? You don't want to hear that. A Joshy brother that they're on the computer, you know. Yeah, man. Joshy brother that. You see it. Yeah, so Dexter that this. Where him did that play, you see me? Yeah, man, cause you don't know Dexter that I must see my artist, you see it. Yo, Boom Boom happy, you know. Yo, dog, Jaja, yo. So look at a vent, Boom Boom have a vent, you know. You see it. So look at now. That's what I'm telling you, people. Them can't stop good music. You understand? So you see a man. We are going with him bagger money thing and yo, like him Alkaline thing. Him can't stop it, brother. Him just can't hold it off for a little while, but him can't stop it. You see it? So look on the man there dance to hit song. So look here now, people. Him in a film house with him DJ. And a B Alkaline song him wanna play. You understand? B Alkaline song. That's why I tell you, say, yo, you can't stop music. Bro, you see what Alkaline doing in that game, dog? Brother, the youth kick. Yo, me I tell you, say, yo, that youth there. But I know, him powerful, dog. Like, if you see all the way go on, and if you see, say, yo, the youth not say nothing. Him just drop song. Anyway, song them bad. All of them. Remember, say, Bounty found out in an interview and say, yo, it's in rate song where the man and the girl is him. No matter how them no rate the youth, them are happy. No say, yo, the youth have him sang them. You understand? But listen, Usain Bolt must see him house and one DJ a play. But here we go on.
What you talk about? Gaza, be a Gaza we play. We don't play by yourself. I be a show we play. Yo, that. You come out from the timeline attack.
Yo. People, that's why I tell you, don't watch the fight. Put in the work. Put out your music. So when you have talent, now watch now when nobody wants to say, when nobody want to do. And your work, I go conquer them. Your music, I go conquer them. You see what happened at the first part of the video? Forward to now. Man, I listen Alka straight. It show you, bro. Music, you cannot stop music once a good music. You can't stop it no matter what you do. You understand? I have to big up Alkaline for that. You understand? Because the youth could have followed out an event like some man. But the youth hold it and put in the work and focus on the you see me? Focus on the success. Focus on the movement. See? And look on the movement where youth have in 2026. Youth have an army, the vendetta people them. You understand? For sure you say, yo, the youth music different because I'm music. Make him get him fans him. In music. I remember a man that do social media, the man that do the bag of chatting. People just connect to him through music. The man talk to him music. So if him say something, him not forward on the internet and talk. You listening music and you hear everything. You see it? Yeah, man. A legendary move, dog. You see it? Legend. If some of them artists in the dancehall did I get the fight to Alkaline get. May I tell you, up the road, now see them. May I tell you that, up the road, now see them. You see it? Yeah, man, people. So, I just a little reminder for make you know, say, yo, how far Alka forward from. Alka never did that for in a nobody face or this them are ready for them do them thing. It's just a powerful and the music what the youth put out. And no matter what them do for try block the youth, the youth just kick off doors and barriers. You see me? Yeah. You see a man with that try pay for this for Alka song no play, end up start I play the same man song them in a house. For sure, yeah, brother. See music, talent, you can't stop that. You have to stay focused, dog. You understand? You have to stay focused. You see me? Yeah. I'm have to big up Alka for that. Because now everybody could have hold it out. We see enough artists fall out and say, yo, enough of them boy fight me and Ray and this. Alka never do that. The man put in the work. Because man know say, yo, humans are corruption. Today them will say yeah, and tomorrow them say nay. You see a man we did a fight you back then. And I try, we see a man we are make look like nothing like say, yo, Jano. You see it? Yeah, we are forward and yo, respect you know dog, although you know say yo, Jano, me not do the thing away. Back then, you see the same man we are pay for music not play, or the same man I play music in our house. So yeah, brother. Now watch when nobody wants to say, just put in the work as so it go. People are going to hate for no reason at times. You see me? Yeah, it's just a human reaction. Sometimes a bad mind, you see it. Sometimes people not like see when you get certain energy or whatever product. You see me? Cause them time that champion boy and them song, they are mash up your place. You see it? Alcohol drop beer hits after hits. Them couldn't stop that. You're mad? Them couldn't stop that. I true Alkaline have a plan right now I deal with. Him have a plan that say you see the youth just go on easy. Cause you know the man they exclusive and the man they always you see me with some surprise. You see it? So it's a good look. If you say yo the youth after all of this, The youth become legend of the game. Yeah, man, a warrior that. You see me? But people, when I don't know, a one media fox, man. Bless up. That is it.